guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back on my Supra build, and I already have it inside of the shop in the lift bay. And what I'm trying to focus on today is the front end damage. What I'll be doing is removing the front bumper, removing the headlight and inner fender to expose and see if there's any hidden damage on the inside that we can't see. Well, let's get to work. All right, now that the bumper is off, let's get to the headlight. Front headlight is damaged. I will have to purchase a new one. The actual computers look like they should be fine. We should be able to reuse those. Right out of the gate, I can see headlight bracket is broken right here. And from what it looks like, this cooler bracket that runs all the way along here, it's pushed back. So I'm pretty sure we can fix that instead of replacing it. It shouldn't be a big deal. Well, let's pull this headlight bracket off. So now that we got the bumper off and the rest of the components off, we can see what else is damaged, which, like I said, this cooler bracket should be able to be fixed. It just needs to be pushed a little forward. So now that we have all the parts disassembled that are damaged, we should be able to go through and see exactly what we need to replace or what we can repair. Starting off with this headlight, I will have to buy a whole new headlight assembly. The computers itself look like they're okay and would be able to be used. The headlight worked whenever I took it off, so from what it looks like, just the lens is what got damaged. So now going on to the front bumper. Bumper actually looks like it's really good condition on this side. Moving on to this, has a little damage here. This should be able to be heated up and straightened out. I should be able to fix that. It's actually not too bad. We need a new vent here and a reflector, which we will order from the dealer. Going back to the plastics that were pulled, like the engine covers. Both engine covers look like they're fine. The headlight bracket will need to be replaced. It is damaged. It's cracked. The inner fender, the front fender liner is fine, no damage at all. And going to the car, nothing in the front got damaged. All the engine covers and vents and all that look like it's fine. Radiator support is in really good shape. No dents, it's not bent at all. The actual apron is good. The fender is untouched. And like I said when I was removing the parts, the only thing I can see is this actual radiator bracket needs to be pulled forward to give a little better clearance from the tire. And that is practically it. Now that we got the front all torn apart and all the damaged parts off and figured out exactly what we need to replace and repair, Let's go ahead and move on to the damage on the rear. Hey guys, it is actually the next day. I had some errands I needed to run yesterday, so what I'm wanting to focus on today is now the rear end damage. I want to take off this rear bumper and tail light and just like the front, inspect and see if there's any hidden damage underneath. So let's get to work. Right away, I can see the inner bumper bracket is broken. It will need to be replaced. Let's get that off. I don't see any obvious damage. Even this lower cover is good, and the heat shield, everything looks like it's in good shape. Let's keep checking. Let's get the, I think we can take the tail light off. Tail light will need to be replaced. And now that I have the damaged parts pulled off, we can see there's going to be a lot of work on this quarter panel to get it straight. But if you guys watch my videos, I'll show you guys how to repair this. And next damage I can see is a little bit down here. With that bracket, it pushed in this rear bucket, which we should be able to just push out and straighten out. And let's go to the bumper. The bumper this side is in good condition. Here, let me turn it around. And this side of the bumper has some damage. not bad. Just like the front one, we should be able to heat it up and straighten it out, and then primer it, fill it with some filler and prime it. And I'll show you guys how to do that if you guys watch my couple of my next videos. But other than that, the bumper looks like it's in good shape. And looking around here to the driver's side, I don't see no other damage. And this side, like I said, all the covers, all the shields, everything looks like it's in okay condition. It should be able to reuse all that and should have easy access once we get all this taken apart to push some of this damage out. So, and now that we took apart everything and know exactly which parts we need to order, I will be going to the dealer and ordering everything. I did call and make a list of what I need, and everything's, available. It would, a couple days out, which is no big deal. So stick with me and watch my next few videos, how I order all the parts, and they'll come in and we'll be putting this thing back together. I'll get a video of how I repair these bumpers so you guys can see the process, exactly how that's done. And then I'll also have a video of repairing this quarter panel, pushing it out and making it uniform back to exactly how it was, and prepping it, primer, and getting it ready for paint. Thank you. And if you guys like these type of builds and videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.